Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you had a relaxing and safe weekend. Today I have a haul video for you. All the sales that were happening towards the end of March and now as we get into April, I did partake in some of it. When Saks Fifth Avenue was having their 25% sale off of beauty amongst other items on their website, I did grab a few things. So first is the NARS Smudgeproof eyeshadow base. And I've gone through or about to go through one of these, so I got a second one to replenish. I do like this primer. I think it grabs onto eyeshadows well and extends the wear time of them. It also doesn't irritate my eyes. Sometimes, depending on the type of product, I do have some sensitivity. It's hard to know what works for me and what doesn't, and what ingredients might trigger a reaction or might cause some irritation. So I just kind of try whichever and see how my skin reacts. But so far this has been quite good. And then we have Chantecaille's Future Skin Gel Foundation. This is in the color Alabaster. I did do a 6 hours wear test, which I will share above. If you're interested, go on, have a look. I do really enjoy this foundation. It feels and looks very skin-like, and it has medium coverage that's buildable to full coverage, which is important to me. So this has been a great discovery that I will continue to use. Next we have NARS's Overlust Cheek Palette. This palette I kept in its packaging because I wanted to show you how sturdy it is. You can hear the palette moving around in the box, but once you open up, there's another carton here for extra cushioning. And the carton itself is not just like a flimsy piece, it actually has some padding to it. I just really appreciate the thoughtfulness of that. You can see, looking at this palette, pretty hefty, and I mean, I really like this front part of the packaging. I think it looks really cool. When it sits on your vanity, you have a couple of palettes sitting on your vanity. This one definitely stands out, but I could also imagine it can be easily damaged, you know, depending on what the packaging is like from the retailer selling it, how long of a distance it has to travel. So I just really thought, you know, this is worth making a fuss about if I'm going to talk about a haul and the different products I got. Looking in the palette itself, comes with 6 different shades. The top 3 are highlighters, and the bottom here are the actual blushes, and they have a satin finish. I'll swatch each of them. They're very light. This color here is Let It Burn, and then this is Get Lost, and then the third one is called Body Talk. So they're very sheer, but I have no trouble with the pigmentation. If it is too little and I want to add more impact, I can go in for a second application. I think they apply really nicely. Again, the finish is really nice. I have this highlighter on today on the highlights of my cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin, and that is called Tied Up. I will be doing a video as part of my blush series on this NARS palette, so look forward to that. And then, last but not least, we have the McGrath Astral Blitz quads, and they have been pretty fun to work with or pretty fun to play with. I do have Nocturnal Nirvana on today, mixed with a few shades from Midnight Sun. So I think what I'll do is I'll make a video on Ritualistic Rose, which is this quad here, and combine it with some fitting shades from Divine Rose to create a tutorial and share that with you guys. And then I'll have Nocturnal Nirvana plus Midnight Sun. We'll do a video like that. If you guys can think of other looks, share it with me down below. I will happily create a tutorial of it. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching all the way through. Subscribe, ring the bell. I have tons of new content coming your way. I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.